how to enable passcode in the Line application. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're worried about your chats being accessed by someone else and want to add an extra layer of security to your Line app, then it has a built-in passcode lock feature. So here's how you can enable it. First of all, open the Line application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the Home tab, go ahead and click on the gear button at the top right corner, and this will open up Settings. From the Settings menu, select Privacy. Under Privacy, tap on the Passcode Lock button at the very top. Toggle on the switch right next to it. Now set a passcode for your Line account by typing it down from your keypad. Confirm the passcode by writing it again, and you have successfully enabled the passcode feature in your Line application. Now, whenever someone opens up your Line app, they'll need to enter the passcode first. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.